In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a spacer in Google Sites. A spacer is a simple built-in tool that creates clean breathing room between elements on your page. It helps guide the eye, separates sections, and makes your site look more professional without relying on awkward blank text boxes or empty images. Start by opening your Google site and heading to the exact page where you want some extra space. If your site has multiple pages, use the Pages panel on the right to select the one you're working on. Once you're on the page, make sure you're in edit mode so you can see the editing sidebar and the canvas with your content. Next, look to the right side panel and choose the Insert tab. In this Insert panel, you'll find different content items you can add. Click Spacer. Google Sites will add a spacer block to your page. It typically appears as a thin blank area on the canvas, acting as a visual placeholder for vertical space. Don't worry, spacers don't show as a visible bar on the published site. They simply add padding where you place them. Now, position the spacer exactly where you want the extra space. Click and drag the spacer up or down on the canvas. As you move it, you'll see alignment guides and drop indicators that help you place it precisely between text boxes, images, or sections. Release the mouse when you see it snap into the right spot. If it lands slightly off, just pick it up and drag again until it feels right. With the spacer in place, adjust its height to match your design. Hover over the spacer to reveal the resize handles, then drag to make it taller for more breathing room or shorter for a subtle separation. Aim for consistency. Matching spacer heights across similar sections creates a tidy rhythm and improves readability. If you're designing for both desktop and mobile, remember that excessive spacing can feel too large on small screens, so choose moderate heights when possible. A quick tip, spacers are invisible on the published site, but very useful in the editor for fine-tuning layout. If you change your mind, you can easily move or resize them again until the page flows naturally. And because they're lightweight, you can use them sparingly throughout a long page to guide attention without clutter. That's all there is to it. Open your page, insert a spacer, drag it into position, and adjust the height. With just those steps, your Google site will look cleaner, clearer, and more polished.